Hello, this is Barry with CDRAFT. Thanks for watching our videos. This is going to be a quick pro tip AutoCAD fillet commands, or upgraded fillet commands we did a couple of years ago. Tom Goodman was working on a high-end architectural millwork job. A lot of detail, a little bit frustrated going back and forth with the fillet command. And you know how it goes. You set a radius. Invariably, you come back, need a 0 radius. Forget to switch it back, change it back. And you end up with a radius when you fill it to your objects, and then you have to undo it, set it to 0, and then fill it again. So anyway, he came up with a brilliant idea, gave me a call, said we need to upgrade our fillet commands, our fillet command. And I said, okay, what do you have in mind? He said, well, actually we need 2 commands. He said the first command is going to have a 0 radius and no option to radius, but it's going to stay in the command, and you pick all your objects. When all your objects are picked and filleted, then you spacebar to get out of it. The second one is going to have the option for a radius, and then you pick all your objects, and when you're finished picking all your objects, then you spacebar to get out of it. And I said, okay. So he and I worked back and forth probably for a couple of months until we figured out what we wanted to do and how we wanted to make it work. And this is what we came up with. So we have F spacebar is simply a fillet with no radius. Now notice on the command line, just above the command line, the OS mode is set at 512. That is nearest. So this command is turning off all of your O snaps. You're going to run the command, and then when you're finished and spacebar out, it's going to reset all the O snaps. So we're going to pick our lines, and notice we're still in the command. And then when you're finished, down at the command line, it still says pick a line. Well, we're finished. We're going to hit spacebar to take us out of the command to the command line. And that's all there is to that. Our second command, FF spacebar, has an option for a radius. Let's do 6. And again, we're going to pick our points, pick our objects to fillet. And then when we're finished, we're going to hit spacebar to get out, and that'll reset our O snaps. And that's all there is to it. What's nice about this command is, let's say we needed to do the reverse. This is a hypothetical. So FF again, I'm not going to change the radius, so I'll spacebar through it. I'll pick my points. And that's what it does. And if I wanted a 0 radius, I'm just picking my points. And that's all there is to it. So there's 2 commands. Now you don't have to remember when you come back from lunch, get off that telephone call, where am I at? Do I have a radius set in the fillet command or not? Well, guess what? You always have 0 at your fingertips. But if you need to use something else, then you use FF spacebar, set what you want, do your fillet the way you need it, and you're done. And that is it. Thanks for watching Pro Tip. Have a good day.